So stained, yep.
Yeah,
Huge.
that was the first place I noticed it.
Yes.
It was right there.
Yep.
Oh, that doesn't look good. Wow. Okay.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, this room, doesn't seem as much use
Yep.
as the dining room.
Yep.
And we don't use it as daily, so it didn't get as bad. Right.
And then remember right there, you can just see the outline of that rug.
That rug
Yep.
is awful.
You can't even see it anymore.
No. Well, that was all in the wax.
Yep, that was all in the wax. Bingo.
Wow. I have always wanted to get the carpet out of that room and continue the floor.
My guy,
I just
Ralph,
think
yep.
it would be really,
Yeah, oh, yes.
It would make a
We got the
house
whole
look better.
downstairs.
Right.
Yep. What about this one over here?
I'd probably
Leave the carpet over there?
Because that's sort of like really the hang.
Yeah.
Mess around on the floor.
Gotcha.
But we thought about putting it with the cats.
What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is July the 10th. We are out here in the Decatur area, most closely to Tucker. This is Miss Renee. I just met her husband. He just left. She reached out to me about 2 weeks ago. I never did an in-home consultation. They sent me pictures, videos, and also the measurements. I gave them a price. They are doing a wax removal, screen, recoat with UV cure. We got a little bit over 600 square feet. It's a kitchen, a dining room, and a hallway leading into the foyer. I just had another consultation that I did a week ago just come in for next Saturday, so I'm totally booked out all next week. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so this is our project of today. We are in we are in Tucker, and I'm sorry, Decatur, close to Tucker. And this is what we're going to be doing. These floors right here. We also have this foyer. You can see where they had the rug coming straight through. Now, guys, again, on my proposal, I do tell clients to tape off the quarter rounds and the baseboards, because sometimes when we're removing that wax, it can sling, so we don't want to be responsible for that. And I used to tape it off, and when I would tape it off, sometimes it would pull the paint off, and then I have to give it painted. So all of this right here, guys, you can just see all the wax build up. So you're gonna see a huge difference. And then we're gonna do a light color correction in some of the areas that are missing color. These are red oak floors, so the floors are not stained, so it's really easy to do a color correction. And then going into the kitchen. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, guys. All right, guys, I am stripping off the wax. I'm using a dry method. And guys, come check this out. Come look at this, Miss Renee. You get.
Oh boy. All right. So that was all the wax.
That's all the wax. If you stand from here, see all those scuff marks?
Yeah,
See how it's
yeah,
not.
I knew
Yep.
they were there.
Yep. That's all in the wax.
Good. So that's gonna be much better.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
So what we're doing, see right here?
Yeah.
That's all the wax that was on your floors.
Good Lord. Well, that's why we need you.
Yep. So what we're gonna do is dry strip the wax. Then we're gonna do a screen, probably use 120 grit, screen it down, make it nice and smooth. Do the color correction, the sealing, and then put the rag coat down.
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. Look at the difference. You can see the part that is not shadow, that is wax all on the floors. So you can see we got all the wax off these floors. Okay. Just had a few more in-home consultations come in. One just came in from Decatur, and another one came in from College Park. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this wax off the floor, and then get the floor screened out really good, and then do the color correction, top coat, UV cure. Floor is gonna be looking amazing. All right, guys, first coat is going down. Look at these floors now. Major difference. Client's very happy with the outcome. I just ended up booking a in-home estimate in the same area, guys. He's literally 8 minutes from where we are now, so he just paid for his in-home consultation. He's wanted to get a screen and recoat, so he's already been to my website, watched some of the videos, and think his floors or a good candidate for a screen or recoat. So I'm gonna go give him a consultation, then we're gonna go grab some lunch, and then we'll come back and do the UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. Today is July the 11th. This is the job that we started yesterday in Decatur. Came back this morning. The floors needed a lot of finish. So what we had to do is come back this morning because I didn't want to put too much finish on the floor at one time. So we came back this morning, did a final coat. We buffed the floors, and then we put the rag coat, and now we're UV curing. Floors came out amazing, guys. I would say the condition that these floors were in, this is probably one of my best projects, man. I'm so happy with the way this floor came out. Went out this morning, did an in-home consultation in Cummings. They are moving into a home, and we're gonna do a screen recoat with major color correction and also UV cure on Tuesday. And then after this job, we have a screen and recoat in Loganville with UV cure. Tomorrow, my sanding guys are starting a sanding job today, where they started a sanding job today in Atlanta, and she's also doing the UV cure. So I'm going to be going out tomorrow. I have 2 consultations tomorrow, and plus UV cure that floor. And then Sunday, we're also working on Sunday. I have a screen and recoat with UV cure, which is literally about 1 mile from the house that I'm doing now. I went and did him in an in-home consultation yesterday, and he wants to surprise his wife with some fresh, floors. So we're going to screen and recoat his floors and UV cure Sunday, and he hired Christian them to come move the furniture. So anyway, guys, I'm doing the UV cure, and then after this, we're going to be heading to Loganville. So let me just kind of show you the outcome of the floors. Floors came out amazing, as you can see. All right. Also, too, we just did a little touch up, a little spot that I missed, so we just touched that up. So that's why I got a fan on it. But guys, these floors came out immaculate. I'm so happy with the outcome. All right. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. And thanks again for watching. And I will see you in the next one.